But these really nice hooks, multi-purpose hooks. Got a little Allen wrench head. You can move this up and down, and you can nail this part to the wall. Screw it to the wall. I have some parts here. A little Allen wrench, some anchors and screws. You can put that into the wall like this and push this on and attach it. This is the normal way people are going to use these, by putting them into either drywall or into wood. I'm going to take this out, attach it with the concave side facing up. You get one of these screws, mark where you want it, and you put 2 screws in, and then come over here. Because this is facing up, this little pointed screw head, it's going to come over here on this side and just attach. There we go. That's a nice little hook. Put whatever you want on it. However, that's not how I'm going to use these. Down. That's one way. I'm going to take a magnet, put it in here, and attach it, and I'll be able to attach this to metal surfaces. This is what I want to do. I'm going to take this, stick it on there. Use that as a hook to hold things on metal. Put it there. I'm going to be able to put a hook here. I want a hook to my garage door. I hang wet mats on. I'm going to hook something on the outside of the refrigerator. This magnet is just shy of being flat here. It'll still attach. I'm just going to insert a little washer here. Put this here now, basically straight across. You can see that. So it's going to have a nice flush surface to it, attached to when I put it on the metal side. Putting some cold weld glue. That little turn, spread it. And put some more on the top here. I want it to be pointing below this little set screw. And we're going to put that in here like this. Bring the top off. And for now, we'll set that screw in here just to hold it in place. We'll give that a day to cure. Swipe it off a little more. It's supposed to be a cold weld. I tried the first one with super glue. It held. I'm just checking this kind of glue. There we go. When you set that there, I don't want this to be too tight. Have it cold welded on here. Ooh, that's nice.